What if Yig was real? Yig, known as the father of serpents, was originally created by Zelia Bishop in The Curse of Yig, before being added to H.P. Lovecraft's Mythos. Although not much is said about him, some stories describe Yig as looking human from a distance, until you get close enough to see the serpent beneath the skin. In every version, though, one thing never changes: Yig's love for snakes. He considers them his children, and how humans treat them determines how Yig treats us. Be kind to snakes, and Yig will protect you, but harm them, and his wrath will find you. While Yig didn't receive much attention in Lovecraft's original works, he's become increasingly popular in modern times. Spāstinās. Myth-based games, like Dungeons & Dragons. That's because Yig feels more relatable than other Lovecraftian gods. Unlike the incomprehensible horrors like Cthulhu or Azathoth, Yig seems like something you'd find in ancient mythologies, maybe even among the Egyptian or Aztec gods. In fact, some legends suggest that Yig may have inspired the Mesoamerican serpent deity Quetzalcoatl. This gives Yig a unique tone, less cosmic mystery, more primal fear, the fear of snakes. But what if Yig was real? First off, the way people treat snakes would completely change. Knowing that angering Yig means death, or worse, would make everyone a lot more careful. Legends say that Yig punishes anyone who harms a snake, either by sending his serpent minions after them or by turning them into snakes themselves. Eventually, humanity might even start worshipping him. Just like ancient Egypt once worshipped cats, people could come to revere snakes, raising them to sacred status. Snakes would multiply everywhere, but as long as you stayed on Yig's good side, they wouldn't harm you. Unlike other gods, Yig isn't demanding. He doesn't care about complex rules or endless commandments. He doesn't tell you what to wear, who to love, or even whether you can kill another human. All he asks is simple: be good to snakes, and you'll be fine. But even accidents could anger him. Imagine driving down a road and accidentally running over a snake. That alone might earn Yig's fury. Traveling through rural areas would become terrifying, and over time, many animals that prey on snakes, like bobcats, wolverines, or honey badgers, could go extinct, as Yig would destroy those who harm his children. This would cause massive ecological changes. Whole food chains could collapse, wiping out animals we've always known and loved. Still, it's unlikely that humanity would ever fight back against Yig. Unlike Cthulhu, Yig isn't a towering monstrosity. He works in the shadows, and anyone who tries to hunt him down would likely meet a quick and venomous end before even getting close. So, what would happen if Yig was real? After the first wave of brutal punishments against those who hurt snakes, humanity would learn fast. People would stop killing snakes entirely, and soon a new religion would rise, one built around respecting the children of Yig. In this world, the ultimate law would be simple yet absolute. Do not harm the serpent, or the father of snakes will come for you.